Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert and format text in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then you have to search for Google Docs here, and then you will click on this first link, and then from here click on this go to Docs option, and from here click on this blank page, and it will basically insert a blank page for you to write. And then here you can see that we have bunch of different options that we can do with the text here. Okay, so first of all, you can do multiple things with the text here. So let's suppose if you want to add a title here, you will basically type the text here like introduction basically, and to change the font you will select this text, and here basically you can change the font. And here you can see that right now this is a normal text, so if you want to change it in a title, you will select title here, and now you can see that it has automatically increased the size. And now if you want to change the font here, you can basically change the font from here, and if you want to change the size more, then do this. And if you want to make it more bold, you can make it more bold from here. If you want to put a line underneath, you can do this as well. If you want to change the color of the text, you can do it from here as well. And then the next thing, that you will enter a summary here, so you can just type what you want to type here, like this one and this one. And then if you want to add more something, like you want to add this, select this one and make it our first and then here you can see so now basically in this way you can basically add and format text in Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.